Peckish. Slightly hungry. Example, is there anything to eat? I'm feeling a bit peckish. Grimy. Dirty or covered with grime. Example, I cleaned the grimy floor with a mop. Infirm. Weak or ill, especially due to old age. Example, he is infirm and can't work anymore. There. To endure or tolerate something. Example, I can't bear the loud noise. Discuss. To talk about something with someone. Example, let's discuss our plans for the weekend. Agree. To have the same opinion. Example, I agree that it's a good idea. Complain. To say you are unhappy or dissatisfied with something. Example, I will complain if the service is bad. Careless. Not paying attention or not being careful. Example, don't be careless while crossing the road. Persuade. To convince someone to do or believe something. Example, I tried to persuade her, but she said no.